Welcome to the first part of the fourth tutorial in the Building an ROV series. Today we will be assembling the electronics. You will need the black box from your kit, and inside are all the necessary components: 3 large switches, an LED, a resistor, and a small switch. First, we'll solder the LED to the circuit board. The LED has 2 legs, one long and one short. The longer leg needs to be soldered on the positive side, or next to the hole with the plus sign, and the shorter leg needs to be soldered on the negative side, next to the hole with the minus sign. Once you have soldered the LED, you can cut off the extra length on the back side of the circuit board. Next, we will solder on the small switch. Unlike the LED, the direction that the switch is soldered does not matter. Insert the pins into the holes and solder. Next is the resistor. To make an easier soldering job, bend the wires so that they fit into the board. Insert as shown here and solder. When you're finished, you can cut off the excess wire. Finally, we will solder the 3 large switches. Push each of the switches into the board, making sure that they are inserted as far as they can go. Flip over the board and solder each of the legs. Be careful not to put too much solder onto the large switches, as the solder will flow underneath the switch and short it out.